Doon po tayo, doon po yung center.
Aliya ko po si Alon. Ate ko pa pala.
Lagi po. Left and right lang po. Dalawa. Balikan. Kanan. Dalawa ulit. Shoulder. Paalaman po.
Na-refresh na po natin yung mga utak natin, nag-isip natin. Ayan, pwede na po.
All angka po. Morning yesterday.
Okay, yun.
Good morning yesterday.
Oh, kita na.
Hindi, dali kakain muna tapos iyahatid na.
Oo, para buong-buo yung boses pag kumanta na. Kasi tapos na magberienda.
Ako nandito.
Wag na dito. O yung bago daw. Dali, okay lang dito. Okay lang diba, dali? Tapo lang.
Yesterday, you wake up and time has slipped away, and suddenly it's hard to find the memories you left behind. Remember, will you remember the laughter and the tears,
Daddy, patensya ka na, Daddy.
the shadow of misty yesteryear, the good times and the bad you see, and all the others in between. Remember, will you remember the times of your life?
Ay, parang marami nag-vlog. Sinasay ka mo. Pare-pareho tayo binibigay. Pinaalala ko ba kayo?
Memories of time that you borrow, pretend that you get till tomorrow. Here comes the steady sun. The seasons are passing one by one, so gather moments while you may collect the dreams you dream today. Remember, do you remember the times of your life?
Hindi ko pwede ako. Pinaalala din ako eh. Wala si Mami eh.
Gather moments while you may collect the dreams you dream today. Remember, will you remember?
Uy, pwede kong Mami na kami crush ko ah. Iyahabol ko ah.
As long as you got me, as long as you got me, and
Try na sa part kami.
and the world can give us paradise home, and I just could not stay alive. Oh my God.
I got it together. That's all I deserve. Who knows just what to say? Still I fumble and fall, running through the wire. 'Cause when it comes to you, I'm just another woman in love. A kid out of school, a fight out of control, just another fool. You touch me and I need a better feeling, and I can't wait to feel you touching me again. You are just another woman in love. So pardon me if I should stare and tremble like a child. That wanting you look all over your face is driving me wild. And just what you make me